we're saying first next gen boy band. It's kind of like a new thing. So yeah, that's how it started.
Are they also writing
Yes.
their own songs and producing and like, oh wow.
Yes.
But there were also people who are like, it looks very similar to K-pop.
But when it comes to being relatable to K-pop, I think the only thing relatable right now is just that it's a group. The influence of K-pop has come in the group in the sense that discipline, you know, schedules कि अच्छे से करना है.
Correct.
So I mean वो influence हमने लिया है.
I absolutely loved how it kind of synced, and you're bringing a bit of originality to the same thing which has been going viral. I have to ask, as a fellow K-pop,
I mean I've always loved Jungkook, to be honest.
You're a Jungkook
Yeah, I'm a
fan.
Jungkook fan.
Hi, this is Bhavna and you're watching India Today. Well, today I have Aksh Bhakra with me. You must have heard him on YouTube already and on Instagram. I mean, it's difficult to not know him, but he is now the founder and manager of First Five, the next gen boy band in India. It's happening after almost 2 decades, guys, so it is special. And here he is on India Today to speak to me about it.
Thank you.
Welcome to Mumbai. Welcome to our office. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. It's been lovely actually to see you for the second time.
No, but I again, going back to the conversation that we first had, I remember you had this idea, this vision of bringing boy band culture back in India, and I know it's not an easy process. So when did this idea of having a boy band clicked, and how did you come across these boys? What was that process like?
So I mean, I had something like this in mind from the start when I started my YouTube. So that was I started that to gain that audience and that, you know, let's say clout, to kind of start my own thing. So when there was, I made those connections in the industry. I took that time because I just knew कि जब भी वो खुद एक right time feel होगा, that's when I should just, you know, do something like this. And I did my own songs also, but I don't know, वो एक जो एक right time था वो recently मुझे feel हुआ. जब फिर मैंने decide कर लिया कि okay, I think we should do this. I think the team also, we all spoke and we decided. And the process was actually pretty crazy because we did everything ourselves only, खुद ही. So I did it through my social media. We did auditions on that. We did online. So I posted like a thing making India's first boy band. Not first boy band, but like first.
In 2 decades at least. I mean, I've not seen any.
Yeah, so we're saying first next gen boy band. It's kind of like a new thing. So yeah, that's how it started. Fair auditions we did online. So I went through the auditions, selected the members, then they flew to my home, like where I live. And then we took like a small place where we could practice and where we would do the training. The training period tha, we thought we'll keep it like somewhere around a year or so. Usually अगर compare करते बाहर से, so it's more like, you know, it's they train for like years 7, 8 years.
4 years
Yeah. But yeah, we try to like and we took inspiration from them, but we mostly like try to Indianize it in a way because it's India. So
absolutely. And I mean, when I watched Aditya ka video as well, and the song in itself is so wholesome and nice. But tell me, what was the idea behind releasing Aditya as your first song?
Oh, so this is actually pretty crazy. So I don't know if you've seen my reels that I posted.
I have, yes.
So because there was this big challenge that we faced where the investor had. So we had made some songs, but that was through them. So we don't have them obviously after they were not with us. So I think फिर उसके बाद जब हमने खुद बनाने के लिए ट्राई किया, so थोड़े बहुत तो members ने खुद बनाए हुए थे. And this song was actually, this is a very interesting story because बहुत tense situation था, and it was like maybe you guys have to go home. And I don't know, maybe we can make a song, we don't know. So I told them like this, and this was, let's say 6 p.m. like some day, and next day morning they called me कि गाना बन गया. So the song is basically made in like maybe 12
overnight,
14 14 hours like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
And so tell me something, First Five, are they also writing their own songs and producing and like, oh wow.
Yes, so Tu Aadatein has been they've done everything collectively, but majorly like the composition bit, Daksh and Elton and Tan, they've done it. And the lyrics bhi Tan and Elton has
Okay.
done properly. But generally they sit together only. So I mean, I don't
Okay.
want to credit one or two, but they've done it
Like the
collectively.
group itself, of
Yeah.
course, but it's nice that they're self-producing and
Yes.
self-writing
Yes.
it from the beginning itself,
Yes.
you know.
Yes. Yes.
And what about the music video? I know I read your, I saw
Hmm.
your reel when you said that, you know, abhi filal budgets are obviously like
Yeah.
that, but we are doing whatever we can.
Yeah.
But how did you decide on it?
So I mean पहले to be honest बहुत changes हुए थे. पहले हमने सोचा था कि we'll do it in this way, बहुत सोच के कि ऐसे करेंगे ऐसे करेंगे. But when Aditya was made like
Yeah.
overnight ना, तो जब उसको वीडियो की बात आई, so we thought it's best to actually just go with the flow. So even like in the video, nothing was told to them to do. You know,
They were just
having fun.
ad-lib. Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
yeah. So मतलब, we went to like this skate park in Chandigarh. It's a whole video shot in Chandigarh only. So we went to the skate park and like just have fun. And that's how, I mean, it was just, and I think that really worked well.
Yeah.
Not just for like the video, but also for them because they were very comfortable.
Right.
कि बस हमें तो कुछ like we just want to have fun.
Yeah, and also I think because it's also the first video that is
Yeah.
coming out, it's best to
Yeah.
have fun while you're doing
Yeah,
that, you know, because
yeah.
after this it's only going to get crazy.
Yeah, and I think it really shows really well how they are in reality.
Yeah.
It is nothing's overdone in that. So I think that's also a plus.
But I am curious, do you miss not being a part? Because I genuinely thought when the announcement was there that you would be an active member
Yeah.
of the group. You are active member, but also behind the scenes right now. Do you miss the fact, or do you feel a bit of regret that wish I could be also part of this?
Yeah, honestly, yes, I do. But वही है कि we had to like it was like a decision that I had to make. So either I had to like be in it and then maybe because when you're in a band actively, dance classes, vocal classes, entire day is like
Yeah, it's
blocked,
completely,
right?
yeah.
So फिर वो workout we tried actually शुरू में, but it was not working out at all. वो कुछ ना कुछ problem आ रही थी. तो we thought why not, you know, let's just try. मैंने उनको बोला कि let's, you know, if we want to make it work, we can make it work. But थोड़ा सा ये करना पड़ेगा. And थोड़ा सब डर गए थे कि यार कैसे होगा, because you know they were not they were worrying कि फिर how will people see this as a group,
Yeah.
5 भी है, 4 कैसे करेंगे. And then we decided that we'll not change anything. This is the real story of the group and we'll just show it as it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, I would have loved to see you in the
Yeah.
group as well. But maybe,
Yeah,
do
maybe.
you think it could be a chance, like once the group is established? And,
Yeah, I mean,
you
why
know.
not? Yeah.
Because that is a possibility, right?
Yeah,
You can
yeah.
always have more members
It
joining
is
in a
first
group.
5
Yeah.
after all. Yeah.
Okay. But also, I'm curious to know, how did you decide on each of the members? Like, what were the key things that you were looking for?
So actually, this is very interesting question because when the auditions, jo videos we got, they were very diverse, like from you know different parts of India. And because I wanted it to reach more people, I had also offline also spoken to a lot of people to
Correct.
you know connect to dance studios and dance class teachers and stuff. So we had gotten like a plethora of videos, but what we were looking for was not just talent, because बहुत talented लोग भी थे. But when I spoke to them, they were not that driven, right? So, and I mean, you follow this thing, so you
Yeah.
know how important drive is in this, right? You have to be like, because you have to live together, you have to train together, you
Yeah.
have to make music together. There has to be no competitive, too much competitive. I mean, little bit is fine, but too much competitive.
I mean, healthy competition is great.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So वो सब we had to like you know so I spoke to them like multiple times. I even spoke to some of their parents and how they were, because there was I think one member जिसके parents were very worried about his education. So I was like, it's a call that he has to make. So ऐसे करके. But yeah, I mean, it was like obviously like we were looking for talented people, but more importantly, we wanted people who were
driven, who are ready
really
to
driven.
work, yeah.
Yeah, and you know, if there's a challenge, they would not just like, मैं जा रहा हूँ or something like that. They would like really stay, you know,
Yeah.
like that.
And I see a lot of love is coming your way
Yeah.
for the group. What is it that you want to do next with this group? Like, in the sense, album is in the picture. Like, how are we going to go about this?
Album, actually yes, but abhi for now we're just gonna start with more singles. But for the next video, sorry, what was the question again?
Yeah, like what next for you?
Yeah. So पहले हमने बहुत plans किए थे, to be honest.
हाँ.
But after all that happened and we saw the uncertainty and stuff happening, we thought we'll not just think a lot about this.
Yeah.
We'll just, and what I'm going to do is like, even when we're making content, we're making sure that we're actually showing their growth. So we're not gonna, even if I would have money right now, I would not like make a
Big budget.
yeah,
to
we would
like
just
a
not
big-
do that,
yeah, yeah.
So I mean, that's one thing that we've decided, that I want people, because what people really connected was was with the authenticity,
Authenticity, yes.
was with how they're starting off.
Yeah.
And I think that's where we'll take it. We'll start with growing, and I think the pura process I'm gonna document and show to people. So I think that's how we're gonna go with the music.
But are you not looking at, like, because I mean, because today a lot of these labels, renowned labels, are also okay investing in groups. Are you not looking at probably because they would probably make sure that this reaches a lot more people through their labels?
Maybe, I mean, I'm not.
But that's not in the radar, right?
Yeah, I mean, we're not thinking about it because I think it just worked out really well. Because the reason I spent so much time making my YouTube and making this following was kind of this. So maybe not right now. Maybe in the future. Maybe if we get the right partner, we would definitely partner. We just what really, I think in a boy band, what really matters is वो creative freedom बहुत matter करता है. And with, I think, labels, there's always some kind of I mean, I don't know, I've not had a lot of experience with labels.
No, but we have heard enough.
But I don't know. But it's just that if it's not needed right now, I would not do it. Maybe if we need, ki feel hoega ki, we need it, maybe we'll speak to them.
Yeah. Do you feel like a brother figure right now to these boys?
Yeah.
Who will always be coming and asking you?
Yeah, actually, शुरू में तो बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ था, बहुत ही ज़्यादा हुआ था, because they used to call me for even very small things, like I can't even say very small things, कि भैया ये खत्म हो गया, ये ला. So it's fun. I mean, it's like a family now. So yeah, I think even I've learned a lot from them.
Now that the product is out, like the song is out, you are used to it perhaps क्योंकि आप पहले से गाने डाल रहे हो. You're used to both praise and criticism at some point. How are you training, or how are you getting these boys now to sort of get adapt to that? Because I was going through comments, a lot of people showed so much love, but there were also people who are like, अरे, it looks very similar to K-pop. Because आज तो मतलब आप dance भी कर लो, so it's become like, oh, this is K-pop. We have been dancing since ages. Like, I'm sorry, but that is what it is. But but these boys are young. It can get to them. How do you kind of like train them?
It does get to them actually. और कुछ भी negative होता है, वो सबसे पहले मुझे screenshot भेजते हैं कि भैया अब क्या करेंगे. But वो भी धीरे धीरे, when it, I always reassure them कि it's a part and parcel. I mean, you need to learn. Positive के साथ negative भी आता है. But when it comes to being relatable to K-pop, I think the only thing relatable right now is just that it's a group.
Yeah.
To be honest.
Yeah.
Because I think जो हमने first जो photos that we released, maybe they looked like that because that was वो photoshoot बहुत शुरू में हुआ था. Then we had adapted एक साल में, डेढ़ साल में, then we realized, oh no, this is right. So when you see the music video is very different.
Yeah.
There's nothing K-pop about the music video. So yes, we've taken the influence of K-pop has come in the group in the sense that discipline, schedules कि अच्छे से करना है. So I mean वो influence हमने लिया है, but we are making sure that it is purely Indian.
Our own,
it's our own. And I think we're just overwhelmed with the
right
amount
now,
of response.
yes.
Yeah.
And it should be rightly so, because I think a lot of hard work has gone behind this, right? So it's time to sort of reap the benefits of it eventually.
Yeah, that's true. Because to be honest, हमने इतना expect किया ही नहीं था. We did not expect this much. तो जब music, और because I personally, मैं बहुत emotional हो गया था because हम 1.5 साल से कुछ बोल नहीं रहे थे इसके बारे में. And वो बहुत ऐसे हो गया था कि यार कब आएगा. And people used to ask me कि why you're not releasing songs, what's happening, क्या सीन है. तो वो जब आया तो मैं बहुत ऐसे इमोशनल हो गया था. Even actually तभी मैंने birthday पे भी released it. So my birthday was right next day of the song release. So yeah.
And a good way to commemorate the launch of First Five.
Yeah.
But also now, like, what direction is First Five going to take? Is there a genre that you want to excel at, or do you want to like sort of, because जैसे अभी बोल रहे हैं अभी फिलहाल तो it's like pop, right? Yeah. But do you also want to do like indie pop eventually and bring like those influences?
Yeah, actually the second song has been already made.
Okay.
It'll be a very different song.
Okay.
very different. So I'm keeping no bounds to
Okay.
the genre. So genre कैसे है कि दक्ष का बहुत अलग है, रे लिसन्स टू, एल्टन का बहुत अलग है, टैन का बहुत अलग है, योशी का बहुत अलग है. So जब वो साथ में बैठते हैं वो बहुत कुछ अलग ही बनाते हैं. एंड आई हैव टोल्ड देम कि कभी सोचना ही नहीं है कि यार यही जॉनर होना चाहिए, यही बेस होना चाहिए, यही किक होनी चाहिए. मैंने कहा नहीं, जस्ट सिट, इफ यू लाइक इट, सुनने में अच्छा लग रहा है, वाइब आपको मैच हो रही है, go for it. So we're not gonna be genre specific. I'm gonna release whatever I feel like. Like I told you, ki
Go with the flow
go with the flow.
eventually,
We can
yeah.
just adapt with what people like, and obviously we'll keep a balance of what they want to do,
yeah.
what they want to do. But yeah, I'm keeping it like very open now, so no bounds when it comes to genre.
But you know, I was also curious because when I was going through First Five ka page, I saw that a lot of covers also you all have posted, right? When you're seeing that there's a lot of comparison being made, but you also keep going while
Yeah.
doing covers.
Yeah.
Is that the idea ki we don't want to pay heed to the noise which is baseless at the point and just do what we really feel like doing?
So the point of those covers were basically, so before I announced this, right? So they were already out there. Just people, they were just they were releasing videos. I never posted them like it was mera, like this is the first 5 band that I'm making.
Correct.
But वो शुरू से चल रहा था, and that's why that was वो reason इसलिए था because we wanted to just see how people like them,
Like it.
how they react to it, and it was actually working out really well, even from the start.
It does, yeah.
It was working out really well. And वही है कि because this is, I mean, इंडिया में पहली बार ही हो रहा है kind of, तो
क्योंकि लास्ट जो हुआ था वो 90s में था.
सो मैं नहीं बोल, मतलब I'm not gonna say कि भाई नेक्स्ट मंथ भी कोई गलती नहीं होगी, मे बी हम 1000 गलतियाँ करेंगे, पर आई थिंक वही है कि वी नीड टू जस्ट be true to ourselves and just show what it is.
Right.
And that's what it is. Yeah.
So what about Aksh's everything, your vision and everything else that you have been doing as well, because I follow your work. I know that you do a lot of your own music, a lot of covers, collaborations. Like I think Spring Snow wala jo song tha, I absolutely loved how it kind of synced, and you're bringing a bit of originality to the same thing which has been going viral. So what about that? Are you simultaneously going to keep doing that as well?
Yeah, I mean, वो तो obviously that's my heart is there only. और this is one thing. So I've been working entirely पिछले 1.5 साल में major जो मेरा time है, that's been going on First Five. But to be honest, मैंने अभी इतना I've been thinking about this. I was speaking to my manager Akash also कि what about your songs now? How are you going to do? So वो अभी brainstorm वाले process में कि what will Aksh Bagla be now?
Yeah.
Because
right now, I mean, you have been a singer for me, right? And now you are also the manager, and I don't know what else, like for the group First Five, the founder, manager, everything. But ये दोनों चीजें बहुत separate है amongst each other. So how do you identify now?
I think it's just both, to be honest. It's both, because I wouldn't say like I'm a manager. It's still, I'm an active part of everything when it's happening there. It's just that I'm behind the camera. So, I mean, I'm an active member, that's for sure, of this. So I'll obviously continue to be that. And जो अक्ष की बात आती है, and then I'm obviously working on my own songs, and that will come simultaneously.
Will we see more collaborations?
Yeah, obviously. That's something. As in जब भी वो आता है, and if it clicks, I definitely go for it.
Because I think you did it with Love also when he was here in India. So I remember you did a song with Love as well when he was here in India.
I've done 3 collaborations with Love.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. What was the run? So when he came for the first time in India, we've done a video which worked really well, and then we kept doing.
But how do you collab with them, because you get them to sing in Hindi? मतलब एक dialogue बुलवाना ही इतना मुश्किल हो जाता है हमारे लिए. To get them to sing in Hindi is a task.
Yeah, it is actually. But मतलब वो है कि it really depends. Not मतलब when, and वो कुछ decided नहीं होता, to be honest. It just happens on the spot.
Are they like open to singing like that? And
they're fun. It's actually pretty fun.
Because even with Spring Snow, I was baffled. Pleasantly, but I was shocked. I was like,
that was very fun actually. So उसके लिए थोड़ा problem था, because that was a proper full Hindi, like a full part, right? Not just one word. So I'd like sent him a lot of voice notes कि तूने like that. So वो वापस he sent, and I was like, Let's
Yeah,
go.
I can
Yeah.
imagine because although the end product looked really
Yeah.
like smooth, I know it's a lot of hard
Yeah,
work.
yeah.
But who else do you want to collaborate with? Because now I feel like for you, because you also do a lot of, and you're familiar with Korean pop,
Yeah.
American pop, and everything else, right?
Yeah.
I feel collaborations become seamless and
Yeah,
easier.
yeah. Like Indian or like
No, just in general, because I don't think I can limit you to Indian because you've
Yeah.
already done international
yeah,
collabs.
yeah. But then when it comes to K-pop, if you ask me, I like a lot of people.
Who are your
Uh,
current favorite?
I like 17 a lot. N-Hyphen is also.
Yeah. Do you have a
I'm-
bias? I have to ask as a fellow K-pop, but
I mean, I've always loved Jungkook, to be honest.
you're a Jungkook
Yeah, I'm a
fan.
Jungkook fan,
yeah.
Jungkook, and then I gravitated towards
17.
RM also.
RM, of
Yeah,
course.
because now I feel like that.
Yeah, you should take. Yeah. He's
Yeah.
actually an inspiration in that way. I feel
Yeah.
like.
So he does it really well,
Yeah,
I think.
I
Yeah.
think so too. Yes.
Yeah.
But in right now, K-pop,
Hmm.
what do you call? You're into 17 and
Yeah, 17,
N-Hyphen?
when we listen to a lot, but jab se we've been working on this, it's been first 5 only now.
But that is what it should
yeah,
be, eventually.
Yeah, Tan is into K-pop a lot.
Ah.
He listens to a lot of stuff. Yeah.
So we'll see a lot more from him.
Yeah, 100%, 100%. And I think people have seen the first video, and there's not been a lot of choreography in this. Tan is an amazing. So also the choreography of this song has been done by Tan only.
Oh,
Yeah.
the
And-
one which is going viral right now on
Yes.
the internet as well. Yeah.
So Tan is crazy when it comes to choreography, and people have not, because he's a national gymnast. So people have not seen what he can do. So that I think.
Listen, when I watched that choreography, I was like, पहले ही in K-pop choreographies ने मुझे इतना difficult बना दिया है to even ape it. I'm like, at least you make it easy.
Yeah, I know. But वो तो इसको भी कह रहा था कि यार भैया थोड़ा easy हो गया है.
I'm telling it on camera, it's not easy
Yeah,
at
it's
all.
not easy. It is not easy. I know
No,
it's not easy.
but it's fun. I mean, I think that first 5 they're not just the first boy or the next gen boy band in India. I feel they'll be paving the way
Yeah.
for a lot more
I
things
hope.
to happen.
I hope. I think we'll just keep working.
I mean, that's the idea. Eventually, you
Yeah.
just need to keep working and
Yeah.
things will fall in place.
Yeah.
And I know it will.
Yeah.
I'm looking
Hopefully.
forward to more collabs with First 5 and them really, really breaking the records. And probably one day, who knows, they'll be performing at one of these big festivals.
Yeah.
Maybe
Maybe.
nahi, it will happen. Aksh, come on, you have to be positive about it.
No, I'm saying maybe soon.
Are they performing at Lola then? I don't know. Now that's a hint he has given. I don't know. Maybe.
Maybe, yeah. But I mean, we're working on a set, so.
Oh, perfect. I'm looking forward to this then. Thank you.
Thank you.
For both you as a singer and musician yourself and for First 5, all the way.
Thank you so much.